cannot go back. I'll handle them. Handle us. You'll handle us. You know your predecessors had much more respect.
I'm about to handle. And that's how we do it, folks. That's how we do it. A lot of action coming in. You know, I'm trying to put some energy into this, but it's 4:40 a.m. You know, the sun's coming up soon. But we are seeing the Fibonacci pattern sequence that we have seen for the past 6 months, 5 months, where Bitcoin repeats what it has previously done. And I mean, it is doing it more. You can't really just get more, you can't get more of a clone than what we see here. I mean, this is Arnold Schwarzenegger status, clone baby. This is not even a clone baby. This is like an alien, and aliens grow fast. You know, they come right out, and then in about an hour, they're at full adult size. As far as a drop, you know, as we progress, the drops have also gotten smaller. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just drop down to this 3,500 and then nothing happens for a week. I wouldn't be surprised. The dogs are barking. I think the dogs are barking. The dogs are barking. Which, I mean, we are, what, 15 trades in a row right now. I mean, yeah, we had a couple stop losses click here and there, but that's not really, we're not really counting that. The trades are going, when we're calling short, the move ends up going short. When we're calling long, the move ends up going long. There's been maybe 3 or 4 trades where it took us 2 or 3 tries to get it. Other than that, I mean, we've been just ace, 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 ace. And, you know, I've been sharing it with everybody. You know, the public doesn't get my exact times and in and out, and there's a lot of stuff going on. I mean, my whales are getting my thoughts, and people go, oh, CF, you know, whatever. Like, things will change. Things will change. Sometimes it's a good idea to change your position. Sometimes it's not. It's not good when your ego, and it could be other things besides ego, but steps in the way of you canceling your trade or changing your mind and just going off a bipartisan, neutral viewpoint, I guess. Shout out to Bybit. Their liquidity is higher than ever. There's now $100,000, you know, on all over the order book. Actually, the ETH is being tested, so you can see the ETH, but it's all like testing. I don't think you can put an ETH trade in yet. And so, but it's there and it's coming, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, for all those who didn't know, if you haven't watched the past 3 videos, not only did we call the pump 2 hours before, obviously, you know, we've been long. We longed. We had our exits. We had exits from 3650 spread all the way up to 3700. A lot of people been asking me about my support. Okay, shout out to Justin. Okay, support resistance indicator Justin. This is on the money. On the money. And apparently some people are having problem access to it. See if you can access to it. Yeah, I mean, look at this pattern Fibonacci. We're going with the trend. The trend is after these pumps, it comes down, and this is what separates. I mean, it's, to us, it's just natural. We are in our own echo chamber of absolute success, and guys, so many people are used to not being successful. They're used to losing. And we have just a lot of people that are so, look for yourself, look for yourself. All you have to do is look in the discussion. You can't see this. Go to the profit logs. Oh, let's look at some profit logs. I mean, look at them all. These are all people actually haven't even woke up yet. They had their exits at 30. There's people asleep right now that are going to wake up to profit. Maybe I should do another $50 off for the donation thing. I always feel like, dude, every time, I mean, we've been winning so much, I feel like, you know, and it's a good thing. We get more people. So $50 off the donation qualification amount to see what I'm doing if you want. And yeah, absolutely murdering the game. You know, at first, I was thinking about longing. I'll tell you what actually happened. Let me tell you. I can even tell you the trade I was talking about. We canceled. We were long after it resettled down to 3,600 longed, and then when it started cruising down, I zoomed out for a second. I'm like, you know what? No, we got to switch it, and we're in the green. You know, we are also prepared if it goes up. We are prepared. Yep, I mean, we're squeezing what we can. You know, we're squeezing what we can. And we might need to be really efficient here. This next year, in a market that is not volatile like it was before, is an easier market to trade. And so the swings might not be as big. Not saying there's not going to be big drops. Still think we could have one big drop, maybe 1.5. But overall, throughout the year, I think trading for the average person, I think trading for the average person is going to get easier. But we'll see. So stick around. And let's keep doing what we're doing. The dogs are barking.